So good day everyone, this is the Team 1 presentation. So my team is Russell Pardo. This is my member Arancon, Mamitis, Castro, Quintanar. So this is place is very quiet and close the road, and there are many dogs, and the rainy season is very cold place, and people there also the kind and polite. So among lugar kay puno ni siya og mga bakho og sakanan kay ginaayo pa ni namong kalsada, tapos nami dire skilid basketbulan, tindahan ug dagang paunsa. So next Arangkon, proceed.
Everyone, I'm Angelo Arancon. I live in Purok San Nicolas, Buangin, Davao City. This place is so a lot of house and different house and a lot of vendors. A lot of vendors and park the cars outside of house. That's all. Good morning, po Davao City in Community Once, living with hope, not to take it under the roof of Kapitan. Among balay mong guys, yung lugar mong guys, sakto na po ang kalingaw. Thank you, ma'am.
My name is David Faith P. Mamites. This is my place, or should I say my home. This is where I born and I grow. A lot of things happen, fun and sad, happy and scared. All of emotion I have experienced in this place. We used to have hang out in front of my house. My friends and I hung out every at that. The time is already midnight. Actually, I have experienced being got with police due to curfew, and that one of my unforgettable experience. And also in front of my house we play basketball, and always there is an old string there that we used to play, but now a lot of things have changed. My friends have go through their paths. Some of my friends have a job already. That's why we can't hang out anymore. Free time is limited already. And that's all. Thank you.
Um, I'm Charles A. Quintanar and I live in Banacan, Malagamot, Block 23-A. And this is the landmark of our house near the school of Vedasto F. Rivera Elementary School. And this is the nearest school in our community, and it's in front of our home. That's all. Thank you.
Um, Magandang hapon po sa lahat. At nakatira po ako sa Buhangan Diamond Heights. At ito po ang mga lugar na meron sa amin. At sa lugar po namin ay tahimik at wala masyadong taong lumalabas. At mga tinatambayan ko sa lugar namin ay sa clubhouse kasi din tao. And at every Friday ay naliligo kami kasama ng mga pinsan ko, and minsan din naglalaro kami na sa playground kasama ng mga pamangkin ko rin. And yun lang po.